Hello to all my followers, this is Eric Redjet 505. This is a quick video for our shop for Motostyle at Granada Hills. What we got here today is Audi R8 street car. This is the La Manche version from Carisma RC. This vehicle is arriving kind of ready to run with battery, charger, anything you need. It's actually also come with a free light kit, so you make it look like a realistic working light, front and back. Four-wheel drive, 1/10 scale, street car, Audi R8 body. This is just a quick review. This video intended for audience age 14 and older, so please pay attention. Let's remove the body and we look underneath. This is our car actually. What we got when you buy it, you're gonna get like a nickel metal battery, brushed electric ESC with a tiny on-off switch over there, 3 kilogram steering servo, you have your 3-channel receiver, it's common receiver and transmitter, and you have the 19-turn motor. This is a brushed electric. Later you're gonna put a brushless on it and make it flies. Also, it's come with a nice shock suspension system and very soft street tires. Those will last for a while and will make you go really fast. And again, this is a quick video. I just want to show what we got right now at the shop. Those are around like $250 right now, ready to run, special for the holidays. We're right around the corner before Christmas. So when you're ready for one, come and see us. I have limited amount of those are kind of a limited edition. So when you see the Carisma vehicle, they always make them look like a real vehicle. When you see them, if you like it, go and buy it, because you're not gonna see there for too long. Those vehicles are always limited edition. Whenever they come, they don't make thousands of them. So when you see it, go get one. It's worth the money and it's gonna be a beautiful collectible vehicle for you. This one comes with all the details for the racing, even the small fin. Those are not stickers, they're actually a piece of plastic coming out. On the back of it, you have the diffuser. You have over here the exhaust system going inside with the muffler tips, the fan. Everything looks like the real vehicle. Again, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. It's a quick video from Redjet 505. Bye-bye.